something foreign. Picture me riding around here with a banjo. Picture me blinded with the tints on the window. You could see by the... Yo, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a while. You guys probably like, where are you? I'm in my room. We're not gonna get into all that shenanigans. But ooh, except for this. Look at my collection. Look at that. Look at that. Hawks only. All right. So this just came from me today. We're just gonna unbox it real quick. But before I do that, look at this video. Look. Guys, I had to take a video of this. I'm at work and I see this beast right here. What the fuck? Yo, whoever this owner is, this shit is bad. Damn, yo. This shit is bad. Oh my God. Look at this. Damn, dude. I mean, it's not touching the ground, but holy shit. I like this. I like this. I mean, your windshield's cracked, but I like this. Nice, nice. Yeah, I saw that, right? I was at work the other day and I saw that car. I was like, damn. All right, so we're gonna unbox this. All right, so let's do it. You know, I will never get tired of looking at the lights in my car. Jesus. So, why haven't I been doing videos on my car? That's because, guys, we recently just moved. Like, this is a different house. You know, it's much bigger. So it's been, you know, 3 weeks since I made like a my car video. I think it's been like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't know. But we have some stuff coming up for the car. All right, so here's the tools that I'm going to use to put all 4 of these in. All right. Oh shit. Now I was going to do the spark plugs also, but I don't have the tools for the spark plugs. And I'm whispering because, you know, it's like 9 o'clock and I don't want to wake up anybody else. So there's just really one screw holding this in. All right, so let me get the Allen key for that, and then we're gonna take it off. All right. So, fun fact: this piece right here, it's supposed to be right here, so that these two don't touch, so that this doesn't touch, and then shake the engine, because this is supposed to hold all the vibration from the engine, and it shakes the car. So the mechanic put the rubber piece in backwards. So that shit shakes my whole engine. And this is busted. Like, if you guys can see, the screws coming out. I need a new like top piece right here. This. I need to know this. Alright, so it's, I don't know, it's just crazy. But these are what we're changing. Let's see if I could do it by myself. I don't wanna break these. I want to break these though. So the first one, the inside is breaking. That's why I taped it. So I might have to do that again. All right. So let me just take that out, and then we'll just start a music montage of me taking it out and put it in. Let's do it. This beat is so rich. guys, I went ahead, I installed the new ones. You guys can see they're all nice and shiny. I did want to change the spark plugs too, but I'm gonna wait on that because like I said, I don't have the tools to change them out. Now, to test out if the car shakes. Now the reason, sorry if I'm whispering, but it's dark. Now the reason why I wanted to change these is because the car, okay, because when you're driving the car, it shakes. Let me turn off the radio. It shakes, and then when I turn the AC on, you know, it just shakes the car a lot, you know, and it's annoying, you know. So I'm glad that those came in. Okay. Okay. The car seems to be okay so far. Okay. I think there's a now the AC. When I turn the AC on, that's when everything starts to have a problem. All right, the AC is on, it's blowing, and the car seems to be fine. Yes. All right, I'm excited right now because the reason why. Okay, so remember I told you guys in a video back then, I said that one of my ignition cords were gonna go bad, but I didn't know which one. So I just decided, I said, F it, just change all four because I know they were old anyways. And now it's good. Yep. It's perfect. Nice. You like my light, bro? Huh? Yes. You do. But, hold on. But, alright, so I changed it. That's it. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a short video, but I just needed to get these things changed ASAP. Now everything is good. I'm gonna put the cover back on, tighten it, and then we all set. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Wow. Peace.